Hello friends, today we are going to solve this simple math. So to solve this math we have to find out first parenthesis, then second parenthesis, then third parenthesis. So after finding first parenthesis we have to complete division first, then multiplication second, then addition third, and uh, subtraction uh, at the end. So here is our first parenthesis. So now we are going to solve this first. So 8 divided 4, that means 2. Our first parenthesis completed. Now we have to go second parenthesis. That means here is second parenthesis. So here we can see one subtraction, one addition. Now here in second parenthesis there is another third parenthesis. So we have to solve this first. So 20 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then third parenthesis completed and second parenthesis left. Multiplication 3. Okay, then here 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. Multiplication 3. 12 multiplication 3, that means 36. So our answer is 36. That's all.